It's been a journey. We aren't a huge Fortune 500 company. We weren't taught how to do this. We're actually a company of carpenters creating products for carpenters. Started in 1997, we've been in business 27 years, and that's all it's taken to have our overnight success. We have been focused on delivering in the best way our newest line of colors. That's why you've seen the constant improvements. 24 colors, determined through the choices of architects and designers. Element Stain Series is a synthetic wood product that comes in V-groove or nickel, 6-inch and 8-inch widths, and is delivered in 18-foot lengths. All the colors are applied to our TNG, beams, moldings, brackets, and rafter tails. It's what creates a complete system. It's a game changer for all of you out there in this industry. HB Elements, we put the jewelry on the home.